Hello, it's Gem Games, and today I'm gonna show you how to create a coin pickup. So yeah, let's get started. First you want to go to the third person folder and to the blueprints. Okay, now you want to right click and you want to create a new blueprint class. Type user widget. Okay, let's call this player underscore HUD, for example. Let's open it. First we have to add a canvas panel. Okay, now we want to add a text like this. Now let's change the text blocks size to like 200 by 200. Now let's anchor it to the top right corner and let's set the position X like minus 300, so it's 100 units from the corner, and position Y 100, like that. Okay, now let's change the font size to like 80 and let's set this text to like 0 and let's align it to the middle, to the center, like that. Now let's create a binding for the text. Let's create binding. Now let's create a new variable. Let's call this coins. Okay, let's change the type to integer. Now let's just get this coins variable and let's connect it to the return value. Okay. After that we can compile, save and actually close this. Now we want to go to the BB third person character. And here on the event graph, on the event begin play, at the end we want to create widget. Okay, and we want to create the widget that we just created, so the player HUD. Okay, from the return value we want to add to viewport, so it will add it to the screen. Now let's compile, save, and we can also close this. Now let's create yet another blueprint class, type actor. Let's call this coin underscore pickup. Now let's also create a material. Let's call this coin underscore mat. Let's open it. Let's keep the 3 pressed on our keyboard and left click so we get this constant 3 vector. Let's get the white pin and connect it to the base color. Now let's change this color to some shade of yellow so it is the color of the coin. Let's save. After it has saved, let's close this. Okay, now let's open the coin pickup. Let's go to the viewport. Let's add a cylinder. If you have a coin mesh, you can use that, but I will do it like this. Now let's change the X size to 0.5, Y size to 0.5, and set to 0.1. Sorry, 0.05, I think that's better. Now let's click on this coin again and press E on our keyboard so we can rotate it. Let's rotate it 90 degrees. And let's set the location set to like, I would say 90. No, not 90. Let's say 50. Okay. After that, let's change the material to coin mat, like that. Now what we want to do here also is we want to add a rotating moment so it will spin. And here you can change the value if you want to make it faster or slower. Also, what we want to do, we want to get a sphere collision like this. Now let's click this and let's just call it sphere. Now let's change the location to 50 on this set also. Now let's change the sphere radius to like 60, I think that's good. Now let's scroll down and from here, from on component begin overlap, let's click on this. From other actor, we want to cast to third person character. So when we are overlapping this with our player character, then what we want to do, we want to get all widgets of class. And now we want to get the player HUD. We want to get from this get. We want to compile, save, and we want to get the coins amount. After that, we want to get from here an increment integer. So plus plus. It will add 1 to already existing value. After that, we want to destroy actor. Okay, let's compile, save, and we can also close this. Now let's move few of these to the level. Okay, now let's play. So you can see we can pick up these coins and everything is working correctly. So yeah, I think that was all for this video. If you like what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you in the next one.